Welcome back to Truehost Academy. In today's video, we're looking into the best free email marketing tools available in 2024, whether you're a startup, small business, or just looking to save some money while growing your business. We've got you covered. Let's get started. Email marketing is essential for businesses to stay connected with their customers. It helps share updates, offers, and important information directly with your audience, leading to more sales and stronger customer relationships. For startups and small businesses, finding cost-effective solutions is crucial. That's where free email marketing tools come in. When choosing an email marketing tool, there are several factors to consider. Features and functionality. Look for essential features like automation, segmentation, and reporting. Ease of use. The tool should have a simple interface that's easy to navigate. Deliverability. Ensure your emails reach your subscribers' inboxes, not their spam folders. Customer support. Even free tools should offer some form of support like help centers or user forums. Scalability. Choose a tool that can grow with your business. Now, let's explore some of the top free email marketing tools you can use in 2024. First up is Lite. It's user-friendly with a drag and drop editor and customizable templates. You can manage up to 1,000 subscribers and send 12,000 emails per month for free. While it has limited templates and basic automation, it's perfect for small businesses and beginners. Next is HubSpot. Known for its comprehensive features and seamless CRM integration, HubSpot allows up to 2,000 emails per month for free. It offers excellent segmentation and performance tracking, though it might be a bit overwhelming for very small businesses. Bravo, formerly Sendinblue, is an all-in-one marketing platform. You can manage unlimited contacts and enjoy robust automation features. However, the free plan limits you to 300 emails per day. Constant Contact is great for beginners with its user-friendly interface and strong deliverability. The free version has fewer features, but it's still a solid choice for those new to email marketing. Aweber offers competitive pricing and 24/7 customer support. It's easy to use, but the automation features are basic and the interface could use an update. GetResponse is a comprehensive solution with webinar hosting and landing page creation. The free plan is limited, but its advanced features make it worth considering as your business grows. Lastly, there's MailChimp. It's widely recognized and user-friendly with extensive features like automation, segmentation, and A/B testing. However, the free plan has some limitations on automation. Now that you know the top free email marketing tools, let's talk about getting started. Sign up and set up your account. Choose a tool, create an account, verify your email, complete your profile, and set up your email list. Create effective email campaigns. Define your goals, craft compelling subject lines, design visually appealing emails, provide valuable content, and include clear calls to action. Test and optimize. Use A/B testing. Analyze performance metrics, optimize based on insights, and solicit feedback. Email marketing is a powerful tool for driving engagement and building customer loyalty. By choosing the right free email marketing tool and optimizing your campaigns, you can achieve your growth objectives without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Truehost Academy for more tips and insights. See you next time.